Ever taken a big bite of ice cream and zing, your teeth scream back at you? What if I told you that stingy, electric feeling actually traces all the way back to a fish that lived over 400 million years ago? Yep, seriously, and the story is way cooler than you'd think. Welcome back to your channel name, where I uncover the coolest science hiding in plain sight. If you haven't yet, hit subscribe so you never miss a wild fact, and let's get into it. Okay, so what's actually happening when your teeth freak out from cold? Inside each tooth you have these microscopic tubes called dentin tubules. When something really cold, like ice cream, touches your tooth, it sends a chill straight through the tube to the nerves inside. Your brain gets the signal and bam, you feel that zing. But here's the twist. Why are our teeth even designed to feel stuff like this? Turns out the answer is hiding in our evolutionary history. So, let me introduce you to Dunkleosteus, the original tough guy of the ocean. Picture a giant armored fish with jaws powerful enough to crunch through just about anything. It lived about 380 million years ago, and instead of scales, it was covered in plates of bone, like a swimming tank. Its teeth were actually part of its armor, fused right into its jaw for max protection. That meant this fish could chow down on prey without ever worrying about tooth sensitivity or the dreaded ice cream zing. Nice life, right? But here's where it gets interesting. As creatures evolved and made the leap onto land, having teeth like a tank wasn't as useful. Instead, our ancestors' teeth traded in all that armor for something new. Sensitivity. Human teeth evolved to actually things, which is super helpful for tasting and sensing food textures. But that also means when we bite into something freezing cold, those sensitive nerves fire off and we get that familiar zing. So in a weird way, every time your teeth buzz from ice cream, it's a little shout out to your ancient fishy origins. So why does this even matter today? Well, that zingy pain is actually a survival tool, just sometimes at the wrong moment. Our teeth are always checking for danger, damage, or something that shouldn't be there, keeping us safe, even if it means making us wince at cold treats. If this story about ancient armored fish and tooth zings blew your mind, give this video a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more awesome science mysteries. Have you ever had an epic ice cream zing? Tell me your story in the comments. I read everyone. See you next time. And remember, every bite tells a story millions of years in the making.